Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best wire crimping tools on Amazon. Having a high-quality, reliable crimping tool is as important to a professional as a carpenter's hammer or a plumber's pipe wrench. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Klein Ratcheting Data Cable Crimper. Remember that feeling you got as a kid looking over the specs of the hottest new gaming system? That's us, checking out this Klein Tools VDV226-110 Ratcheting Modular Cable Crimper Wire Stripper Wire Cutter. This is a pricey wire crimper. But if you spend your days running cable, and lots of it, it's definitely worth the investment. Like any high-quality tool, it has a good weight and a premium feel to it. Its all-metal construction conveys quality, while the rubberized grip makes it comfortable to use over long periods. Another nice feature is the full-color wiring diagrams. It's a clever feature that we wish more of these tools had. Unfortunately, while this tool is an excellent crimper, its stripping feature leaves a lot to be desired. Number 2. Wirifi Ratcheting Wire Crimper. If you need a feature-rich wire crimper that can work with a broad range of wires, then the Wirifi Ratcheting Wire Crimper deserves your attention. Its well-built ratcheting mechanism ensures uniform and consistent crimps, and it has a dial for adjusting crimp force. A quick release lever between the handles makes the occasional jamming of the tool's jaws easy to resolve, and its soft, non-slip handles mean less hand fatigue, even after hours of use. Lastly, another thing we liked about this tool is that it comes with a lifetime warranty, which is an indication of the manufacturer's confidence in the tool's quality. If we had to nitpick, one flaw of this tool is that the jaws don't easily release when they're ratcheted closed. The quick release lever is helpful in this regard, but getting to it after every jam can be time-consuming. Number 3. Titan Ratcheting Wire Terminal Crimper Tool. The Titan Wire Crimper, with its steel construction and ergonomic design, is both built tough and easy to use. It pretty much has all the features one needs to crimp wires fast and easily, including color-coded wire size markings, as well as a ratcheting mechanism and an adjustable compression wheel that allows clamp force to be adjusted for more precise crimps. It has a quick release lever between the handles for loosening the tool's jaws once crimping is complete, and this same lever can also prove handy should the tool get stuck or jammed. One drawback to this overall fantastic crimping tool is its relatively large size, which makes it more difficult to use in tight spaces. Another is that the release lever between the handles could have been put in a more accessible location. Number 4. Klein Wire Crimper Tool. The Klein Wire Crimper tool is a great tool to use if you need to crimp as many wires in as little time as possible. This tool feels very durable and premium to the touch. It works fast, and the results are consistent. It has a compound action feature that increases crimping force with minimal squeezing effort, which basically means you won't have to exert all that much energy to crimping wires. It has an adjustable compression wheel that allows users to adjust clamping force and a ratcheting mechanism to ensure that each crimp is uniform and consistent. One issue we found with this crimping tool is that it lacks a quick release lever, which means there will be moments when getting the jaws to release might be difficult. Number 5. Gabbage Network Cable Repair Maintenance Tool Kit Set. The inexpensive comprehensive Gabbage Network Cable Repair Maintenance Tool Kit includes everything you need in a convenient zip case. The kit includes several different types of wire strippers as well as a wire punch impact tool. You'll also find a pair of screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead, naturally both with ergonomic rubber grips. There's even a spot to keep a snap case with some spare CAT5 cable ends, a few of which are included. It's a nice touch. Of course, a crimping tool is also in this kit, along with a 9-volt battery-powered cable tester. It's a great way to check your work before walking all the way back to your office and discovering that things aren't working quite right. Even if you're new to the game, this kit will have you looking like a pro in no time. While the crimpers are excellent, the quality of the compression connectors included in the kit is not. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.